Hey, what's up guys, Josh here. Choosing an outfit actually sometimes can become cumbersome, most especially if you have lots of items in the wardrobe or in your cabinet. It would take so much time choosing which one suits best. It is very difficult to choose which one to wear. So today we're going to unbox and maybe you could get some idea. We will go back to the basic. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
So as I have mentioned a while ago, if you have lots of shirts, polo shirts, long sleeve shirts, suits, trousers, jackets in your wardrobe, it would take so much of your time choosing which one to wear or which one to mix and match. And to me personally, I'd like to use my time more efficiently. Having something like basic colors could be a good start. In this box will be something like back to basic outfit. Two beige shirts and three black collars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So good for Monday to Friday. Go on and join. And in this paper bag, we have Dipper. Dipper. We have the gray trousers, slim and comfy. And another one. In my opinion, it'll be Uniqlo and H&M would be the best bet if you would like to have something like inexpensive and comfortable trousers. Two gray trousers, slim and comfy, lightweight, and 5 shirts, 2 beige and 3 black collars, all SS size. It's S because this is actually oversized shirt. So S, something like L already in a regular size. So that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by. And remember, let's use our time efficiently. Peace.